Are you troubled with dampness in your bathroom? Is your building foundation causing water seepage? Do you want a permanent solution to protect your construction from water-related issues? Before that, you must know that most building materials, such as concrete, bricks, or plaster, have neutral voids in them that attracts water molecules to weaken the structure. These in turn spread all over the surface, causing dampness that attracts disease-causing microbes and fungi with bad odor. To minimize these issues, StarShield, ranked as a globally recognized company in the domain of water-resistant products, among the top 10 key players by various market research reports, provides Star Waterproof, a universal repairing agent for interiors. It is a liquid bonding compound which is mixed with cement to prevent the spalled concrete of floors, toilets, foundation or internal walls, etc. It strongly bonds the cracks in old or new concrete, masonry, stonework, tiles, and plasters, etc. Prevention of shrinkage and reduction in cracks increases the life of the surface to withstand diverse weather conditions. Again, it improves resistance towards erosion and abrasion, and prevents corrosion of the surface, thereby enhancing the hardness and strength. Moreover, it acts as a barrier between the water molecules and the surface for complete waterproofing. The waterproofing compound can be used for multipurpose areas like bathrooms, toilets, foundation, water tanks, ceilings, etc. For interior repairing, use only Star Waterproof as your companion for waterproofing.